Let's get real. You say you're too busy to eat well, work, kids, life pulling you everywhere. But that's just an excuse. Losing weight isn't about spending hours in the kitchen, it's about being smart and having a plan. When you're tired and hungry, you need something ready that's healthy and delicious, not a bag of crisps. Today I'll show you how to take back control with 5 fast, vibrant meals that fit your life. These aren't bland diet foods, they're your new secret weapons. Forget the excuses. Get organized, get cooking, and get results. This isn't about being a chef. It's about building simple habits that transform your week. Let's stop talking and start doing. Today on SlimSync, 5 easy, no-time meals for busy women. Fast, delicious, and perfect for your weight loss journey. Breakfast, the meal most likely to go wrong when you're busy. Mornings can be a whirlwind, alarms blaring, emails pinging, and the rush to get out the door. It's no wonder breakfast often gets skipped or replaced with something quick but unsatisfying. But what if you could have a nourishing protein-packed breakfast ready and waiting for you no matter how hectic your morning gets? Enter overnight Protein Oats, your new secret weapon. With just 3 minutes of prep the night before, you can wake up to a ready-made, nutritious breakfast that fuels your body and mind. No more scrambling for something to eat or settling for a sugary snack. Start with rolled oats as your base. Oats are a powerhouse of fiber and slow-digesting carbs, keeping you full and energized for hours. Add a generous scoop of Greek yogurt for creaminess and a boost of protein, plus your favorite protein powder to really amp up the nutrition. This combo helps support muscle recovery and keeps hunger at bay. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3s, fiber and antioxidants, helping you feel satisfied and energized. Pour in almond milk, or any milk you prefer. Add a splash of vanilla extract for a hint of sweetness and warmth. Finish with a pinch of cinnamon. This not only adds flavor but also brings antioxidants and a cozy aroma to your breakfast. Stir everything together until well combined, making sure the oats and seeds are fully coated. Seal the jar, pop it in the fridge, and let the magic happen overnight. While you sleep, the oats absorb the liquid and soften, while the chia seeds plump up, creating a creamy, pudding-like texture. By morning, you have a filling, delicious breakfast that's ready to eat. In the morning, just grab your jar and go. Top with fresh berries, sliced banana, crunchy nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Whatever you love. It's endlessly customizable. Make several jars at once to cover your breakfasts for the entire week. Batch prepping means you save time, reduce stress, and always have a healthy option on hand. No more, "I don't have time" for breakfast. No more skipping meals or grabbing something unhealthy on the run. You're in control. You've set yourself up for a win before the day even starts. With this simple habit, you're fueling your body, supporting your goals, and making mornings easier. This is SlimSync, simple strategic habits for big results. Grab-and-go convenience, no compromise. It's about making healthy choices automatic, so you can focus on what matters most. Delicious, filling, and perfectly aligned with your goals. With overnight Protein Oats, you're not just eating breakfast, you're investing in your health, one easy, delicious morning at a time. Lunchtime doesn't have to mean takeout or sad desk salads. Meet the rotisserie chicken snack box, high protein, zero cook, and ready in minutes. Shred store-bought rotisserie chicken, no shame, just smart. Add crisp veggie sticks, carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers. Include a couple of tablespoons of hummus for dipping. Toss in a handful of almonds, olives, or a quarter avocado for healthy fats. It's balanced, protein, fiber, healthy fats, and crunch. Assemble a few boxes at once for grab-and-go lunches all week. No cooking, just clever assembling. The healthy choice becomes the easy choice. No more sad lunches, just vibrant, satisfying meals that keep you on track. This is how you win your afternoons. Stunning. It's the end of a long, exhausting day. You walk through the door, drop your bag, and all you want is a comforting homemade dinner without the hassle. But the thought of cooking and cleaning up? Not so appealing. Sound familiar? Tonight, skip the takeout temptation and treat yourself to something better. Microwave salmon and veggies, all wrapped up in a simple foil pack. It's fast, fresh, and so much healthier than anything you could order in. Start by laying out a generous sheet of foil. Place a beautiful salmon fillet right in the center, then surround it with a colorful mix of quick-cooking veggies. Think crisp asparagus, tender zucchini, and bright broccoli florets. These veggies not only cook quickly, but they also soak up all the delicious flavors. Next, season everything generously with salt and pepper. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness, and sprinkle on your favorite herbs, dill, parsley, or even a pinch of chili flakes if you like a little heat. The aroma already starts to build. Drizzle a little olive oil over the top to keep everything moist and flavorful. Carefully fold the foil into a neat packet, sealing in all those wonderful juices and aromas. Place the packet in your microwave, set the timer for 4 to 6 minutes, and let the magic happen. As the microwave hums, steam builds up inside the foil, gently cooking the salmon and veggies to perfection. No pans to scrub, no splatters to wipe up, just pure, effortless cooking. Let the packet rest for a minute to finish steaming. Then, carefully open it up and breathe in the fragrant steam. The salmon is tender and flaky. The veggies are vibrant and full of flavor, like a gourmet meal made in minutes. You can eat straight from the foil for ultimate convenience, or plate it up if you're feeling fancy. Either way, cleanup is almost non-existent. Just toss the foil, and you're done. This meal is packed with protein and heart-healthy omega-3s, plus a rainbow of vitamins from the veggies. And the best part? It's all ready in under 10 minutes, start to finish. The 10-minute microwave miracle is the ultimate weeknight hack. Healthy, fast, and absolutely delicious. No more excuses, no more stress, just real food, real quick. Dinner solved. Simply brilliant. Want to take it up a notch? Add a final squeeze of fresh lemon, or a sprinkle of herbs before serving for an extra burst of flavor and color. Now sit back and enjoy your evening. No dishes to wash, no kitchen chaos. Just a delicious meal and a little extra time for yourself. That's a win, every single night. Batch cooking doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be a fun and rewarding experience that sets you up for success throughout the week. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that a delicious, nutritious breakfast is already prepared and waiting for you. No more scrambling to find something to eat or resorting to unhealthy options because you're short on time. In just 30 minutes you can make a week's worth of egg muffins, mini frittatas packed with protein and veggies. These little powerhouses are not only tasty, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize them with your favorite ingredients, making each bite a delightful surprise. Start by sautéing chopped vegetables like onions. This step is crucial, as it helps to remove excess water and boost the flavor of your muffins. The aroma of onions cooking will fill your kitchen, making the process even more enjoyable. Next, add in some colorful bell peppers. Sautéing these vibrant veggies not only enhances their flavor, but also adds a beautiful pop of color to your muffins. It's like eating a rainbow for breakfast. Don't forget the spinach. Sautéing spinach helps it to wilt down and blend seamlessly into the egg mixture. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra greens. Mushrooms are another fantastic addition. Sautéing them in a bit of olive oil brings out their earthy flavor and ensures they are perfectly tender. Now, whisk a dozen eggs with a splash of milk, salt, and pepper. This mixture will be the base of your muffins, providing a rich and creamy texture. Grease a muffin tin to ensure your muffins don't stick. Fill each cup with the sautéed vegetables, then pour in the egg mixture. This step is where the magic happens, as all the flavors come together. Add a sprinkle of cheese on top for that extra layer of deliciousness. Cheese not only adds flavor, but also gives your muffins a beautiful golden crust. If you're a fan of bacon, feel free to add some cooked bacon bits. They add a smoky, savory element that pairs perfectly with the eggs and veggies. Bake your muffins until they are set and golden. The sight of these perfectly baked muffins will make you excited for breakfast every day. Once they are cool, store them in the fridge. These muffins will stay fresh and ready to eat all week long. Each morning, simply grab a couple of muffins, microwave them for 30 seconds, and you're out the door. It's that easy. These muffins are faster than making toast and way more nutritious. They provide a balanced meal that will keep you energized throughout the morning. This is how you build momentum, one smart breakfast at a time. No more morning chaos. Your week solved. That's progress. With these egg muffins, you're not just making breakfast. You're making a positive change in your daily routine. For mornings when you can't even sit down, you need a green smoothie prep pack. Portion spinach, half a banana, berries, protein powder, and chia seeds into freezer bags. Make several packs at once and freeze. In the morning, dump a pack into the blender, add almond milk or water, and blend. No chopping, no mess, just a thick, creamy, nutrient-packed smoothie in seconds. Vary the greens or fruit for different flavors. It's your express lane to vitamins, minerals, and energy. Set your future self up for success. Prep once, win all week. Grab, blend, and go. Healthy habits made effortless. Your daily dose of vitality, on demand. No more excuses. That's how you start strong. There you have it. 5 simple, powerful meals to fit your busy life and fuel your weight loss. No more, "I don't have time." Pick one recipe to try this week. Overnight oats, smoothie packs, egg muffins, or the rotisserie chicken box. Master it, feel the difference, and build momentum. You're in control. Your health is worth it. Eating well can be simple, enjoyable, and sustainable. Start with one recipe, and let SlimSync guide you to a lighter, stronger, more confident you. Your journey begins now.